Hello friends, welcome to Learn Transformation. Today in this video we are going to see about Porter's 5 Forces model of competition. Michael Porter designed various vital frameworks for developing an organization's strategy. According to Porter, the nature of competition in any industry is personified in the following 5 forces. 1. Threat of new potential entrants. Potential competitors refer to the firms which are not currently competing in the industry, but have the potential to do so if given a choice. 2. Threat of substitute product or services. Substitute products refer to the products having ability of satisfying customers' needs effectively. 3. Bargaining power of suppliers. Strong suppliers can extract profits out of an industry by increasing costs of firms in the industry. 4. Bargaining power of buyers. Strong buyers can extract profits out of an industry by lowering the prices and increasing the costs. 5. Rivalry among current competitors. Rivalry refers to the competitive struggle for market share between firms in an industry. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it. For more such content, follow Learn Transformation.